Hello dear ones, this is Rachel Cooley with your weekly angel card reading video for this week of February 15th, 2016. Welcome to my video. I am so glad that you are here and taking the time today to watch my video. I'm an angel therapy practitioner as well as a certified angel card reader by Doreen Virtue, and I'm here today to bring you a one-card angel reading from the Archangel Oracle cards by Doreen Virtue. So let's take a moment to find out what message the archangels have for us for this week. I've got my beautiful cards here. Dear archangels, what would you like my viewers to know this week? And we have the You Are Safe card. You are safe with Archangel Michael. And the message on the card reads, I am protecting you against lower energies and guarding you, your loved ones, and home. Thank you, Archangel Michael, for this powerful card. And let's take this message and card into prayer. I invite you to exhale out and take a new fresh inhale. Dear God, dear Archangel Michael, thank you so much for your presence in our lives. Thank you, Archangel Michael, for bringing through the card today. You are safe. Thank you for reassuring us that we are safe as well as our loved ones and everyone in our lives. Thank you, Archangel Michael, for surrounding us all with your royal blue and royal purple light of protection, bringing in peace, blessings, and reassurance that you are always watching over us. And so it is. Amen. Thank you so much, dear ones, for watching my video. If you'd like to learn more about myself and my services, you can find me online at rachelcooley.com. I'd like to let those of you who are in the Bay Area know that I will be at East West Bookshop this coming Friday, as well as this coming Sunday. I will be doing an Angel Healing Circle from 2 to 4 p.m. at East West. And all the information is at rachelcooley.com. Angel blessings for a blessed and beautiful week, and we'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.